derailment of missiles vector puts it en route to the East Coast. We will lose the White House.
We've rebuilt it before. We'll rebuild it again.
Casualties?
Possibly 30 to 50,000. Depends on the exact location of the detonation. All systems will go down.
General Shepard, you warned us. We should have listened.
When they speak of this moment, we will not be the ones who stood guard while America died. One man is responsible for all this. Makarov must be brought to light.
Whatever you need, General. You've got a blank check.
Dagger 2-1, this is Overlord. Do you copy? Over. Dagger 2-1, this is Overlord. How copy? Over.
Take this and stay down! Place down! Last man! Make it count! Hit it! Ammo sound off! Tracer! 3 rounds left! Corporal! Hang on! Defend this position!
Come in, Sat-1. This is ISS Control. Houston's requesting a feed from your helmet cam, over. They want you to look over towards the dark side of the Earth. It should be cresting the horizon about 15 degrees east of the starboard PV arrays. Sat-1, rotate your view a little. There it is. We're getting your feed, Sat-1. Come in, Houston. Are you getting this?
Copy that, ISS. Video feed from Sat-1 is clear. Sat-1, keep tracking the bogey. We're looking into it. Stand by.
Houston, we're not scheduled for any satellite launches today, are we?
ISS Houston, stand by. We may have a problem here.
Houston, this is ISS.
What the hell are we gonna do now, man? Russian guns outnumbered, shit's falling from the sky, we're screwed, man. We're totally hooped.
Get it, Pip Corporal. Our weapons still work, which means we can still kick some ass, what? They're here.
You going out there? Are you nuts?
It's over. Come on. We still have a water fight.
What the hell happened here?
Oh man, it's quiet. Is your red dot working? Mine's out.
Mine's down too.
This is weird, bro. Looks like optics.
Wow. Check it out, man.
There's not even a street light for blocks. Ah, damn it. All right. We gotta recoup. whoever's left out there. Corporal Dunn, take point.
Hua. Storm! Storm! Or we will fire on you! I don't remember the damn countersign, all right? I'm just a runner. Don't shoot!
The proper response is Texas, soldier. What do you got?
Colonel Marshall's assembling a task force at Whiskey Hotel. You guys need to keep heading north. So where are you going then? Tell everyone else. Get to Whiskey Hotel. Go!
You heard the man. Let's go.
Done. You're up.
Hua.
Clear. I got our 6. Copy that.
Star!
Противник прямо передо мной! Дай хоть поговорить с командующим взводом! Сниму гранату! Противник прямо перед тобой! Противник на Внимание! Граната!
They're dead, right? Clear!
Room clear. Let's go. There's the Eisenhower building. Whiskey Hotel's on the other side.
Oh, man, we gotta go out there.
Done. Check the vitals. We'll cover you.
No, he's a goner. He's a goner.
Keep quiet. Got a visual on 3 tangos. Stay low. Move into position.
Иди тихо и не
Clear shot.
паникуй! Мы вас вытащим! Не поддается! Бессмысленно, так
Smoke.
не вытащим!
Move up.
Put those guys aside.
What about it?
I got our 6. Go.
It's clear.
I don't know what's worse, man. Dodging falling helicopters or freezing my ass in this monsoon.
Quiet. I think I see something. Hold your fire.
Are they friendly?
I don't know.
Star!
Cover me.
Star!
Say Texas, damn it. Just say it.
Street clear!
We're Oscar Mike. Let's go.
We're Oscar Mike! Let's go!
Watch for movement. Move up.
Feet dry.
Hua.
Cut the chatter. Ramirez, take point.
Whoa, check out the seal on this door. I thought the president's bunker was under the west wing.
No, that's just for tourists. This must be the real thing. Open it up.
Real or not, man, this place is history. Hope they got out in time.